In ELKO, introducing the JA3-014M switching actuator, specifically designed for precision and seamless automation of shutters. This powerhouse is crafted to effortlessly manage rollers, shutters, blinds, awnings, garage doors, entrance gates, and more. Equipped with 14 relays, the JA3-014M allows you to connect up to 7 shutters. Featuring a neutral point for phase synchronization, this actuator ensures precision and safety in every movement. Keep track of your automation with ease. The up-down LED indicates the status of the output contacts when your blind or shutters is in motion. Want manual control? No problem. Change the contact status of each relay individually using the convenient control buttons on the front panel. The JA3-014M, in its 6-module version, seamlessly integrates into your switchboard on a DIN rail, providing a compact solution. For quick access to detailed information, scan the built-in QR code for the comprehensive manual. Elevate your automation game. Take your automation to the next level by combining the JA3-014M switching actuator with the versatile Mini CU, unlocking a world of possibilities. Create personalized experiences with ease using intuitive time schedules and dynamic scenes. Control and set the perfect ambience for each part of the day using ELKO's mobile app, ensuring your environment adapts to your lifestyle. Let's explore the limitless applications in various sectors. Impress guests with a smart and welcoming atmosphere, from automated curtains to personalized scenes. Transform your home into a smart sanctuary. Wake up to natural light, have your blinds adjust with the sunset. Boost productivity and energy efficiency. Customize your environment for meetings, presentations, and day-to-day operations. Ready to experience the future of control? Visit ELKO.com for more details. ELKO, redefining automation.